Okay, yesterday we discussed about Lord Warren Hastings, his initiation in the new administration of East India Company, Indian rules by East India Company. And in that we also studied about how the India was geographically divided into three presidencies. How they set up the governor in these three presidencies. Now we will here study about the laws. Yesterday we talked about laws, civil and criminal code, civil and criminal code in India, and how they set up these two codes in the districts, in the various districts of these presidencies. Now that we will try to see that we know that India was divided into different communities. In the present, we have some differences among the Indian communities and their application on the laws. Here now we will try to study that how these laws now came into existence. The Hindu Dharma Shastra. Dharma Shastra means it's a book. It's a book. It tells us about the laws and customs of Hindu people. And when the British East India Company set up the administration in India for the Hindu community, they refer to the Dharma Shastras, and they quote upon many Pandit scholars, Hindu scholars, to advise the collectors, on Dharma Shastras. Means for Hindu people, the British East India Company, they gave the different laws which was based on Dharma Shastras. Dharma Shastra, it's a book. It was a book telling about the customs and laws of Hindu community. And the East India Company, they based the civil laws for Hindu community on the basis of Dharma Shastras. And they called upon Hindu Pandits to explain the Dharma Shastra to the district collectors. By 1778, a code of Muslim laws was compiled. Compiled means to put into group. Compiled same as like Hindu people, the British East India Company, for the Muslims, they compiled the Muslim laws. They compiled the Muslim civil laws. And the before the East India Company, before the occupation of India by East India Company, there were no any codified laws in India. When the British they started administering India, when they started making laws for India, they put the code and 셈바 수수수 농수도 돼. 되게 자산 꼴 주는 거만 되게 가르쳐 개부 되게 미만한 팀 당도 상만에 되게 되게 시작이 이렇게 제발 당이 나야 돼 이렇게 말아. 개부 걸어 나와 가르쳐 제스나 배 다가란 님어들 값 가르도 코랑이 감다 매바 가르쳐서 딜 바에 제발 당셔라. 인지 되는 말다. They started making codes. They codified the laws for Hindu and Muslim laws. Compiled the chokdi chiba. 아니 코드나 전세디게 파트amba. 어디게 전세 시작이 샤바. 아니 무슬림 레베 다가나 they called upon qazis and muftis and mulanas to help the district collectors to interpret the various Muslim laws for the district collectors. ता 먼저 interpret 나 가장 This is just an bar. Interpret the this is our lore. Any you chiva lore interpret the and this is chivas. This is chivas raw. Okay. The principal figure in the Indian district was the collector. Ta jagadi Warren Hastings. He started administering India and he made India into 3 presidencies. Correct? Madras, Bombay, Calcutta. This was so Hasan Deshi Absalwa. That this was so now he started giving shapes of the Indian polity. Jaga Gita polity, Jaga Gita Chapsi Gi, Jacob Chiki Nabachi, and Warren Hastings doing good good. That is some Tamazo Mama each kingdoms in there were many kingdoms in India. Warren Hastings ki rule chudu samane each district has the district collector. DC is DC deputy commissioner. DC district collectors. Warren Hastings he put up the district collectors in the various districts. District Samanamula and district collector now the district collector he became the center of power. The district division now the district collector he got the center of the power. The power district collector. District collector the district collector he has to maintain the laws. The district namola tim the yabuchine laktar chela district collector he has to maintain that laws. Tim the gedi manim go res. Any district namola the collector the sikurata collector ya duba ya duba khari duba ngazu chala da khari chine be duba duruchi ba ko ta collector da ko ila so karsha che duwe de gar mingla tanar da sik ta gar altana mingla ta ba khar ko do it gives sense that his main job is to collect the taxes di indu samane tax duruchi che ya bujin duwe on dige chazan chi ko da public order that his main job to collect the revenue dige chazan ja duwe any team neme ta district naula ta kharar ta kola ta ko mi ger chi ko robo chingin sure ko robo chingin sure na district collector the robo chingin sure judges the district collector the robo chingin sure judge kansina manzo de la so district naula court so district court so samane district naula civil ki nyokra yo pura judge ki laba chamgre criminal ki nyokra yo pura judge ki laba chamgre the judge shall have the district collector. Judge ki district collector the robot is. Dina shingita the judge over the criminal case in a called police. Police ki dam dura. Akuma yayoda the gauges of police dura. Now even the police shall have the district collector. The police the gauges of district collector robot go through this. That means now before the administration by East India Company in India, Yagan East India Company gi administration matching one, Yagan the center of the power means the king. The given the Durua. Now after the Warren Hastings, his initiation in the Indian administration and the laws, now the power, the center of the power shifted to the district collectors. The district collector okay, that is someone Zosta. The next thing, the next thing, the company army. The administration is the company army. The company when the company they conquered all over India. We can presume that the company had a very good armed force. Company la mangu top chumbu shu jiwa chi nganzo hago dudwa. Tata the mangu top chumbu mewa ina ani East India Company gi jaga diresa chumbu ji wang jur thwe yomarwa. Ta East India Company gi army di khandeshto. Mangmi di khandeshto. Ngoma jaga gi gebu gi mangmi di khandeshto. Tigi chasa relation nganzo comparison tayada. The ta khargar san ta nganzo dela colonial rule da. Colony, Tibetan colony, the colony and Goza. That was another colony, Mimangi, the such colony in the The colony in Tadash, but Karkorsana, Wongur is a Saja Jura, Wongur is a Saja de la, any British colony, Samane. The British Egypt was the unicorn to go colony. Shemaya, India was once a British colony. India di jaga di ngoma inji gi wongyur chisa saja jire labaina. India was once British colony. Ting anzo gosu sa ta colony lana wongyur chisa saja di kohorda. Ta dil da. Ta dil sigil da. Colonial lana ta di gensik chare. When during the colonial rule, wongyur gi thuila orda during the colonial rule lana Wongyur gi thuilas. How's that? Yaga inchi gi wongyur gi thuilas colonial rule. Brought some new ideas of the administration and reform. That reform and the reform the administration and the Kazakh Rosa Zingong reform and the Pena Mazudua. Yargate Kure and did lecture Shivas, also lecture Shiva, any Koyargi, Koyari of Tama. Woman Chigoba ina, Anzadela, any Samjo Chiva, lecture Chiva, Yargi, Tirichi, Nabajik Yakiva ina, Anzadela reform the Ruda. Okay, the East India Company, these reforms, they have to. They conquered the India. Now they want to rule it. They have to reform the army. The Mughal was mainly the composed. The Mughal among me and it was mainly composed of the cavalry. A cavalry cavalry Woma to Zularda. Woma to Zula Mangmila, Andersona, Chikmami Chikani Chugora Kobayan Dore, a Susukama, and Nazu Pibina, Kama, Kama, cavalry Lavana, Andersona, and Woma to Zula Tama. Tamache. I you Tony Mani. Tachisu Karchina Tamazu, Tarigis and cavalry Yorda, Tarigis and Midige, Tagola Shinama Dure, Dumaro. Tarigisa Motor Galama taking Jura. Motor Galama taking the Kalare, a cavalry. Kashi Sama Jigua, Sama Kama Jigua. Kashi Motor Galma Jigua. Motor Galama, Junma taking the Kalare. Any cavalry. Okay, the cavalry is Mummy Desi Shibajur. 인지 나오디 무글 나오다 되게 무글은 진짜 올다 아니 인펜트리도 먼저기 인펜트리도 인펜트리 마기 디자인다 되게 인펜트리인데 인펜트리는 아주 벽에 넘어가는데 깡만 그래서 깡박을 저치 많이 해지고라 깡마치 오케이 다 인펜트리 나로 다 soldier 다 망미 규마들 망고 쇼래 다 rural areas 다 뭐마 뒤질라다 뭐마 뒤질라 다 정색카 나로라 하려 그래 rural 안들 나오다 정색 나오다 정색 나오라 뭐마기 미디게 가지고 프랑스 다 싱가다 보르데 디냠도라 낙자 보고 슈냐 보르와 rural area 나오라 아니 싱바 디게다 될 비센 통세 비센 통소 비센 하나 가고 오래 싱바 나오다 비센 하나 싱바 디게 가르스는 프랑스 아니 낙자 표현 슈고 슈냐 보르스 아니 디게디 싱바 디게디 when the war comes, these peasants they assist the zamindars, and zamindar in their turn assist the kings and commanders in their wars. Wars means Mughal they didn't have the professional armies. Mughal the kare amare mangmi yapuchik professional gyuntune chusin yizapshi kanza mal tradiching tideching Mughal yorosan yomares. Kansa most of their pedal. Most of their infantry, they were peasants. But they keep the arms. They assist the zamindar. Peasants give come to watch zamindar. And zamindar in their turn, they assist the king and give watch. In short, Mughal king, they didn't have the professional, well-trained armies. Konsola Mughal mangmi lakcha yakbo yunge, mangmi makjong yakbo yunge, ani mangmi chedunga ne mangmi denge sawani ne marela. Ta thari denge chamsha. Ai khana su dinang lo yegyo digela, atsik ju so, atsik digela, atsik ju ju so. An so tep dige yakbo chilo. Okay.